Marjari, cat and cow, for your spine. So spread your fingers, make sure your palms are right under your shoulders and your knees are right under your hips. Yeah. Knees are hip distance apart. So as you inhale, you're going to drop your tummy down and look up. Head and tailbone reaching up, tummy is dropping down. As you exhale, you're going to lift the middle back up and try to take your forehead closer to the navel. So for that you need to lift the spine up nice. Inhale, drop, look up. Exhale, down. Release. A lot of time what happens? You're trying to move your hip front and back. Try to do that. Inhale, exhale, yeah. So inhale. So there shouldn't be any hip movement happening, yeah. So you're pressing, inhale, do the right way, exhale. Now don't bend your elbow here, this is what happens, you try to be there, really not working on the spine, so much of load on your shoulders. Press the palms, knee, elbow straight, yes. Inhale, up, good. Exhale, inhale, exhale. Let your breath be long and deep here, and you're trying to connect with the breath. See how the spine is moving and how you're able to send the breath to the spine. Few more breaths. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Sit back in child's pose. Hips back on your heels. Relax. Take a few breaths here. Slowly sit up. Vajrasana. Relax.